Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Doomdoom from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off near the top and let's draw the eyes. Let's start with 2 angles down. And then a curve underneath. Now inside each eye, let's add a curve for the pupils. And now let's color them both in black. Now let's draw the next set of eyes with small circles on either side. And then let's add a circle inside at the bottom. And let's color both of these in black. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's draw the shape of the head. On the sides, let's draw a small angle above each eye here. Then let's curve it down and in from both sides. Then let's angle it down. And then a curve across the bottom. Now let's move inside at the bottom and let's draw 2 sideways ovals. And then let's connect them with the U-shaped curve from the middles. Next, let's hop up and let's draw the hair on top of the head. Let's start with a rounded V shape in between the eyes. Then let's curve it up and back in from both sides. Then let's continue it by curving it up. And then a curve at the top to connect it. Next, let's hop to the sides and draw the horns. From the left side, let's draw a curve out and then curve it up at the end. And let's do the same on the right. Now for the ends, let's bring it back down and in. And lastly for the head, let's add the ears. Underneath the horn, let's draw an angle down and then curve it back in. And the same on the right. And that's it for the head. Next, let's move down and draw the arms. Underneath the ears on both sides, let's draw a curve out and then let's bring it down at the end. Now next to it, let's add a curve out and down. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw an S shape for the inside of the arm. Then let's step up and let's draw a curve down. And then an angle down from the outside. And now underneath, let's draw the hands. From the inside line, let's draw a curve down and then bring it up for the thumb. Then let's add a curve down, over, and back up for the next finger. And the same on the right. Then a curve over and up for the next finger. And then one more in the same way. And that's it for the hands. Next, let's move back inside and finish drawing the body. We'll start underneath the arms and let's draw an angled line in and then angle it again. And the same thing on the right. Now for the end, let's hop up and let's draw a line down for the legs. Now inside in the middle, let's draw a small curve across. And then from the ends, let's curve it down and out. Now let's draw the bottom of the legs with 2 curves down on both sides. Now let's add the feet. Let's draw a curve down from the inside line. And then the same from the outside. And then curves across the bottom. And that's it for the shape of the body. Lastly, let's add the tail. We'll start in the middle underneath the legs and let's draw a curve down to the right. And then let's continue it over on the other side of the leg here. And now let's add one more curve above it. And then for the end, let's draw 2 curves coming to a point. And that's it for Doom Doom. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!